Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on closed captioning for your Google Vids. So let's say you've got a Google Vids project open in front of you and you want to make sure that it has accessibility features. One of the ways you can do that is to go to View, select Closed Captions. This is generally going to be set to off. I've already set it to auto-generated so that the closed captions would be available for this tutorial. And once I turned that on, it really didn't take long. It took like a minute. And then when I go to play this video, you'll notice that I can
Welcome to
turn on
Google
closed
Videos for
captions.
Teachers, a guide
You
to
can read
classroom
that at the
integration.
bottom of the
In this video,
It's
we'll
functional.
explore how you can
So anybody
effectively
who
use
may
Google
need that type
Videos
of
to enhance
assistance
teaching
has
and
that.
learning
You don't
in your
have to do
classroom.
this yourself. And so that's a neat little way that you can make your videos more accessible to your audience. Just a really nice tool that Google has included into Google Vids. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.